Are you thinking about starting a woodworking business? I got 30 tips coming up for you to get you started. My name is Sander and I started my woodworking business 10 years ago while working full-time for the Dutch police force. The tips I'm about to share with you are my personal experiences and I think they will help you get started. Let's go. 1. Start your business part-time. Working for a boss while starting your business part-time gives a lot of securities, like mainly having an income. 2. Buy cheaper tools at first. It's everyone's dream to have the best selection of tools from brands like Festool and stuff, but you don't really need them at first. You don't need tools of these brands when you get started with woodworking. Plus, they are much more expensive. It's better to keep that money in your pocket. So 3. Buy multiple cheaper tools at first. You'll find out that you'll need a lot of tools when you start woodworking, so the costs will add up very fast. 4. Buy your tools on the go. What I mean by that is when you take on projects and you'll find out you need a specific kind of tool, you buy it at that moment. Don't buy tools you think you'll need in the future. 5. Make projects for your friends and family. It's a great way to build up your portfolio. Take great pictures of your work and share them on social media or in your online store. You can also make projects for your own home and take pictures of those and add them to your portfolio. 6. The bigger tools you'll need, like a table saw, a router table or a bandsaw, are perfect to buy second-hand. They are widely available at a fraction of the price. 7. You can ask more than you think. Don't do yourself short and ask low prices. Did you know that people tend to buy expensive products faster? Because higher purchase value is associated with higher quality. And you are a woodworker making handmade products. Come on. 8. Take every chance you get. Sell on your online store, sell on Facebook Marketplace, sell on Etsy. The more places you sell from, the higher chance that people will find your products and buy them. 9. Batch out. Why make one product when you can make 10? Setting up your tools takes a lot of time, and time is money. 10. Work smart, not hard. For example, when you're working with epoxy, stop making melamine molds and buy these silicone baking molds. It's a small, one-time investment and saves you a lot of time making molds. And the best part about these is they are reusable. If you think this video is useful this far, give it a like so more starting woodworkers can find it. 11. Brand your products. Ideally with your brand name or domain name, so every product you make will become a business card. 12. Consider your safety. I always take my own safety very seriously. That's why I have personal protection gear, like goggles and ear protection, but I also have a fire extinguisher and even a tourniquet for when I accidentally cut off my hand or something. 13. Outsource your sales. Drop your products at local furniture stores so they can sell it for you for a commission. 14. Mind the seasons. Christmas, Easter and other holidays are great ways to make more sales. Make your products in advance. It feels really silly to make Christmas products in the summer, but you can build up stock that way. 15. Invest your profits back into the business. Don't spend the money on yourself, save it for your business. You can live off the salary of your primary job. 16. A woodworker saying, you can never have enough clamps, but they are expensive. Keep an eye out for them at Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace. 17. Organize your shop efficiently. If you don't have a lot of room like I do, make sure your tools are movable by putting them on casters. This way you can move your tools out of the way when you need the room. 18. There is no scrap wood. You can reuse your cutoffs for making cutting boards, for example. 19. When buying wood, buy locally from the same dealer over and over again. This way you build a relationship and you get better prices along the way. 20. If you're working with epoxy, make sure to buy wood with defects like cracks or nuts or holes. These pieces are a lot cheaper and you can fill them with epoxy, which looks awesome. Hey, you got any questions about starting your woodworking business? Drop them in the comments and I will make sure to answer them. Tip 21. Be active on social media. Post on every social platform. People will know how to find you. The more exposure, the better. 22. Take loads of pictures of your projects from various angles. Really, try to master the art of product photography. It can really help to sell your products a lot faster. 23. Show off your products at handmade-oriented fairs. It's a great way to get some exposure. Make sure to bring your business card. Tip 24. Remember, people always spend their money on their kids or their pets, even when they are in bad weather financially. Tip 25. Some products sell fast and don't need a lot of skill to build, like coat racks, shelves, headboards for beds. Make those. Tip 26. Master the art of template routing. Using a template and a router with a flush trim bit saves you a lot of time and really ups up your efficiency. Tip 27. Save money on reusing boxes to ship your products to your clients. But make sure not to use printed boxes like this one. Tip 28. Are you watching a lot of videos on YouTube on how to start your woodworking business? My channel has a lot of them, so make sure to subscribe. Tip 29. Have fun woodworking. Make the products you love to make. If you are making what everyone else loves, but you hate doing it, you'll lose the fun in woodworking. The final tip of today's video, tip 30. Watch the video on the screen right now to see my journey on starting my woodworking business, and you'll learn a lot. Thanks for watching. Sander out.